Hey everyone, it's Tuesday. Two stocks traded, $5,823.53 on the day, shorting Tesla and shorting Snap. Let's dive into this recap. There were so many trades today, it was just a matter of, okay, which one should I provide an actual setup on? Piton was sexy. I'll go to the daily chart so you can see it. Piton bounced off of a support, but I'm going to take you to a 1 minute. This is what I was seeing during the day. Look how clutch price action trades according to support and resistant levels. And all of this we do teach in any of our courses because it's all about market structure, it's all about understanding the levels, our supply and demand zone, etc. So Piton, I had Roku up, but all of these just kept trending lower initially when we're looking at the opening range. And it's just a matter of finding an entry point so our trading room can benefit. I can always just hop in these market order and take them for the ride initially, but I like finding setups where our rooms can benefit. Tesla, Tesla was the trade I saw. It wasn't necessarily ideal only because I know Tesla have a large range and you cannot have a hard stop with a stock with a large range if you're capitalizing on it for the day. I'm talking day trading. I'm not talking anything else. No long term, no short term swing. This is strictly a day trading thought process. Knowing that I'm day trading Tesla and we're looking at the bigger picture, I'm day trading Tesla within a particular range. So I'm going to want to take it as close to the nearest support that I have. I have to shout out one of our members, Samantha. She had a 400 level. I didn't necessarily have that. To be honest with you, I didn't even have this level. I just added it here because when I looked at Tesla, it was just like I saw the setup intraday, but not necessarily where am I going to take the trade to. The short entry was right around in here. So I had to let it range up a little bit before initially rolled over and fell apart. It's all about the dominant trend, and the dominant trend from the open was bearish. Therefore, I'm going to want to trade it in the direction of the dominant trend. So from our entry point as well, I did add on top of it. And we got a nice flush rollover, lower break of support, even more confidence to add into the move. Just remember, Ernest and I are position size traders, and you'll see this thing just initially flushed. Snap. What was Snap thought process? Snap also was a great trade as well. We look at the daily. This is follow through from yesterday's price action. And I'm going to do the same thing, trade it in the direction of the trend. So both Snap and Tesla, I was able to provide the room limit orders as in an entry point before the price even got there. So while Tesla was around 38.90, I provided the room a limit order to short at 38.48. So they would have got filled right around in here with me, and we're taking it down. Basically retest the 38 lower wick and taking it down even lower. This provided about $1 per share. My exit was market because I wanted to focus more on Tesla. I marketed out of Snap so I can focus more on exiting out of my Tesla position since I had more of a, not necessarily a heavier position because Snap is evidently much cheaper, but I just wanted to focus and make sure that I could capitalize on this leg down. While Snap, although a cheaper price stock, realistically, I just know that it probably would not have provided no more than maybe 80 to $1 per share. So when I exited, it was around the 37.70s area, which is good capital, especially where I shorted. What I mean by good capital, meaning a good return on my shares based off of where I shorted it. Now, the puts with Tesla, you'll see some members took the put options. And just like any video I do, remember, Just because I'm trading the shares, I could say, hey, grab the puts. You can short the, well, not short, you can buy the puts. You're going to capitalize when price is going down. So hopefully you found this very helpful. I'm just pointing out my thought process and why I took the trades I took today, what I'm looking at in terms of the overall market with particular trades, like what did it do yesterday? What can I anticipate today? How can I get a great entry point so the trading room can benefit and we all capitalize on the downside? We can take a look at the broader markets such as the SPY, and you can see initially the SPY rolled over as well as the Qs. And we always want to make sure, especially starting off our day, what is the market doing and how we're going to capitalize off of exactly what it's doing.